What's going on, everyone? Marty here at Par Extreme, and welcome back to the third skill I would like to share with you this week so that you are successful on your first backpacking trip. And the third skill is how to properly use your water filtration system. So let's go by the lake and I'll show you that right now. Alright, so here we are by the water now, and I want to show you guys how to use your water filtration system properly. So a couple of things before you start digging water right out of any water source that you might find. You know, these work really well. They're gonna make sure to purify your water, but there's a couple of things it won't do. It won't change the color of the water, number one. It won't change the taste of the water as well, number two. So what you want to make sure is that whatever water source that you decide to filter your water from, try to pick a clean water source. Stream, beautiful lake, just maybe not like something in the ditch close to a cattle farm, for example. You're just running after trouble for no reason in this case. But here right now, it's a beautiful lake in the Algonquin Park, and to use the Katadyn Be-Free that I've recommended to you guys, the way you want to use this, it's pretty simple. So all you want to do is kind of scoop out. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll rinse out the bladder here, but you want to scoop out the water that you need. So do a couple of back and forth like this, fill it up all the way through. And for this particular water filter, all you got to do is shake it up a little bit, and if you forget anything, it's written right here on the side, so it's pretty simple. But you shake it up a little bit to unclog, it's kind of the way that the Katadyn Be-Free kind of does its backwash. That's really the only way to do it. And then what I do myself, because I don't like to carry my water in this pouch, what I do myself after this is I then squeeze it into here, into my water bottle like so, and basically repeat the process until I have all the water that I need with this one. Now, another very popular water filter is the Sawyer squeeze like this, and that's what I'm actually using on this trip right now. And for backpacking, it's great. For canoe camping, in my opinion, the Be-Free is better. It's more versatile. It can pack smaller. But what I've been doing for this trip, and what you can do a lot, is you have a dirty water bottle like this, and you just fill it up in the lake. Again, just, you always want to try to help yourself out a little bit and start from a clean source of water, obviously. Once you have water in there, the second thing you want to make sure you check for is that the white seal at the bottom in there is still in there, because it does come off from time to time, so keep that in mind. And then you're gonna screw it on, and don't over tighten it, because what it does is it pushes the seal into the water bottle, and then you lose your seal. As soon as you start feeling resistance, do a little, like an eighth of a turn, and then to test it out to see if there's any leaking, squeeze your bottle. If you can hear the air come out, it's not tight enough, so tighten it a little bit more, or maybe it's too tight and come back a little bit. But here, there's nothing coming out. That's great, and you can pull out the top. If you want to fill another water bottle with it, all you got to do is you put it on top like this, and you squeeze it out here, and then fill the water bottle up to however much water you want. Or what you can do, what I've been doing on this entire trip, is literally drink right out of it. And the flow is nice. Now, because this is sealed, your water bottle will keep kind of shrinking on you. So what you gotta do is you gotta let the air out or in, and then just retighten it, and you're good to go. Fresh Algonquin lake water.